Cartesi wants to be the first project to bring an optimum scalability solution to market with its unique methodology, despite the severe competition in the Layer 2 solution field. Although many people are unfamiliar with the CTSI crypto, its 103% increase is remarkable. Here are 7 things that you need to know about Cartesi. Hey people, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. To begin, one of Cartesi's most compelling features is the way it tackles development. It describes itself as an off-chain decentralized compute platform at its core. To put it another way, it enables programmers to create smart contracts utilizing the Linux operating system, which comes with a powerful infrastructure of popular software. According to Cartesi, this means that its services serve to pave the way for a new era of decentralized applications, dApps. Aside from its developer appeal, it appears that the CTSI coin has benefited from a few unique catalysts. Here's everything you need to know. Revolutionizing smart contracts. On the blockchain, there is a pressing need to address the issues of scalability and high transaction costs. Cartesi implemented a variation of optimistic rollups in early 2021, enabling million-fold computing scalability, Descartes Rollup. Furthermore, this allows for large-scale smart contract execution by doing computationally intensive activities off-chain while maintaining the Ethereum blockchain security. The Cartesi project isn't the first to use optimistic rollups. It did, however, further the notion by merging optimistic rollups with the Cartesi machine. Developers will be able to design highly scalable smart contracts on the mainstream software stack that runs on Linux VM using the powerful combination of both. Blockchain-agnostic Layer 2 system. Descartes SDK, a blockchain-agnostic Layer 2 system, was launched by Cartesi in 2020. The Cartesi machine is at its heart, allowing Descartes to offer scalable computation without sacrificing decentralization. Furthermore, dApp data is not revealed on-chain, ensuring data privacy for dApp developers. Most crucially, the Descartes SDK enables the development of dApp logic on Linux. This is the first time that standard software has been made available to blockchain dApp developers. They will also be able to develop more complicated and feature-rich smart contracts as a result of this. Non-blockchain developers can also design sophisticated dApps without needing to learn Solidity by using known mainstream software stacks. Low-cost data availability to dApps. A developer must consider the data storage expenses on the Ethereum network while creating a dApp. The cost of data availability for Ethereum-based dApps is quite high, and it must be borne by the developers. One of its 3 primary products is Cartesi's Nother. Essentially, Nother is a high-performance data availability sidechain. Designed for temporary data availability, it enables dApps to achieve high throughput by providing low-cost access to huge file storage. In March 2021, Nother's proof-of-stake version 1.1 was released. Users can currently stake CTSI and earn mine rewards in order to participate. Overcoming major issues of proof-of-stake systems. Cartesi's reserve mining is now operational, and CTSI holders can stake or become node runners. Cartesi is developing a staking mechanism that addresses some of the major drawbacks of proof-of-stake. Users will no longer have to guess their risk choices. Instead of receiving variable returns, customers who stake Cartesi will always know what they will receive. Stakeholders will be able to choose from a variety of risk profiles. By balancing the system, inflation was kept to a minimum. Proven proof of concept. Cartesi held a highly successful IEO, initial exchange offering, on Binance Launchpad in early 2020. The IEO was known for its thrilling Creeps competitions. 168,000 Creeps games were played by over 27,000 unique players. Creeps, which conducted huge computing work on Linux in a decentralized manner, was essentially a demonstration of what Cartesi hopes to do. Creeps successfully aided Cartesi in establishing a significant proof of concept. Descartes by Cartesi is also live and being used in innovative initiatives such as Creo environments, SimThunder, and Carti. Multifunctionality Token CTSI. CTSI is a Cartesi platform utility token. It has a surprising number of functions. It serves as a crypto fuel for Nother proof-of-stake systems. For starters, stakeholders receive their benefits in CTSI, and network users pay fees in CTSI as well. Second, in Descartes Rollup, CTSI plays a critical role. Essentially, it will be used in dApps to reward Descartes nodes for performing verifiable and enforceable computations. Remarkable roadmap. Cartesi had tremendous growth in 2020 with the release of Cartesi Machine and Descartes. In 2021, the team is accelerating its progress toward mainnet implementation. The Descartes SDK version 1 was released in Q1, and Nother's POS was upgraded to version 1.1. During the second quarter, the team will release Cartesi rollups on testnet, Nother's on-chain infrastructure, and POS version 2.0 with delegation support. Cartesi token price has increased by over 3,800% in the last year. Such rapid expansion is a strong indication of the project's growing popularity and legitimacy. The team is working hard to implement the mainnet, according to the roadmap for 2021. CTSI is obviously on the verge of becoming unstoppable. With that being said, it's important to know that all investments come with a risk, so do not invest the money that you can't lose. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye!